Iphondo la KwaZulu-Natal lisungule ngokusesikweni inkqubo yokuhlola impawu zentsholongwane ye-corona kwidolophu yaseMgungundlovu kwiphondo la KwaZulu-Natal. Eliphulo lisungulwe kwingingqi yoGobityholo iJika Joe kulandela iphulo eliye lasungulwa kwingingqi yaseMlazi kwiveki ezimbini ezidlulileyo. Babalelwa ngaphaya ko-500 abantu abanentsholongwane kwelaphondo.
Isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal sengesesithathu ngezibalo eziphezulu zabantu abahaqwe i-coronavirus futhi kukuso lesifundazwe ekwabikwa kuso isigameko sokuqala ezweni somuntu owatholwa ukuthi uhaqwe ileli gciwane. Uhulumeni uthi ukwethulwa kwalomkhankaso kubalulekile kakhulu ukuhlenga impilo yezakhamuzi.
Kufanele bayithola abantu mengabe ukuthi banaso noma banaso ukuze bakwazi ukuphepha bavikeleke.
Ungahlali uyitshela ukuthi uright kanti kukhona uhleli wena ucheckile ayibolo into leyo.
Isisebenzi zezempilo zizongena umuzi ngomuzi kulomkhankaso.
We will see our numbers as a province going up in terms of those infected. That is not going to be a bad thing for us as a province. The fact that the numbers will go up is not going to be a bad thing. It's good in that it then gives us an opportunity to isolate those or quarantine those that are positive and separate the positives or those that are infected from those that have not been infected.
Abantu abenza screening and testing ngokohlelo lwethu suhulumeni basuka eminyangweni bayabonakala ngeimpahla bayifakile but ngaphekwa lokho sibamsana nobuholi bendawo ukumemezela la siyakhona.
Iziphathimandla zesifundazwe ziphinde zanxusa ke izakhamuzi ukuba zisebenze ngokubambisana nezisebenzi zomnyango wezempilo ezokube ziphuma zingena emakhaya ahlukene ngalesikhathi. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC iseMgungundlovu.